mount up on military transport trucks to the rally point where the rest of the allied platoons are currently gathering up for the operation. 214 for the duration of this op will be part of 6 platoon for the next 24 hours. Hey, get ready to cross. Copy, holding. Wait. Vehicle.
Keep it in the back. It's a roll. Report. Mud.
Got friendlies up the hill already. That's SBF, so we can flank to the right side maybe. See if there's a route moving right side. Copies, join him. Saan? Kaliwa. Move left. Go up with them.
Move left. Go up with them.
A smaller detachment from Op 4 was spotted upon approaching the designated crossing point at the shoreline of a lake. Making use of our overwhelming numbers, Blue 4 moved in and swept through the enemies and engaged the targets on site with little casualties and ending the threat. Now, with the initial presence of enemies eliminated, the operation now moves into the next phase of infiltrating deeper into enemy territory.
Trip hazard there.
The light, the light. Engaging the light. Right side, engaging.
Bound right.
Bound right. Take the farthest flank you can. Walang tanggaan. Yeah, the white light. Up the ridge. Changing.
You're up. Let's get ready to move to the right side.
Copy.
Go.
Guns offline. Wait, one. I got it up. Go.
I'm gonna light, and you guys shoot. I'm just gonna raise my gun. Like,
Sige. Wait. Give me a second.
game.
Higher.
Ah, shit.
No eyes. Just sounds like it's from the left. I'm dry. Woo.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
No eyes.
Off. Right side.
Right side. Forward!
Sa taas, oh.
Forward!
Hey, don't light me. And then ceasefire! 5th and 6th Platoon encounter Op 4's 3rd Platoon located at a hilltop upon their boat landing. Using the cover of darkness, we attempt to take the position but are met with heavy enemy fire. For 30 minutes, the firefight rages on, but in the end, the capture of 3rd Platoon's position was unsuccessful.
Umarap kasi sa likod eh. Umarap sa atin eh. Kaya... Dito sila, no?
Yeah, upstairs, up the tower. We were just told to stand by there.
Will be an SPF element for these guys.
Yeah, take the flanks as soon as they hit engagement. Do not white light. Use their white light. Okay, eyes. Ready.
Contact left!
Eyes on. Yeah, I see you.
Shots left! Meron pa!
Contact left!
Check the greenhouse! Yung greenhouse!
Move up.
Check fire, huh?
We're holding this trench.
Clear this out and end there.
You wanna get in the fight?
Yeah.
Index! At 0200, friendly forces moved into a second Op-4 camp held by 1st Platoon. Catching the Op-4 off guard, we were able to utilize the element of surprise in quickly overrunning the enemy's defenses. We then make our final sweeps and RTB. We get word that a possible enemy counterattack is to be expected at around 0400 later in the night by remnants of the 1st Platoon survivors and with a possible number of 30 to 40 hostile forces. The 214 set up as the first sentry to receive first contact.
Open fire. Contact, contact! Contact front! Light off! Pressing our position. Popping smoke. Yep. Let them get through. Let them get through. We don't know where we are. Get ready to field!
Light off!
Suppressing our position. Popping smoke. Let them get through. Let them get through. They don't know where we are. Get ready to peel! Get ready to peel, get ready to peel.
I'm peeling first.
Covering, covering.
Okay. I'm peeling first. Covering, covering. That's good. Set! Set!
Peeling! Copy. We're moving to the right side.
Turn off your fucking lights.
We gotta peel back, they're streamlining us.
Lights off!
We need to start peeling back. Hey, we need to start peeling back because as soon as they take that tree line, we're gonna be spotted immediately.
Ilonyo! Lights off! Lights off! Lights off!
Sa kanila! Carlos, peel back! One inside! Peel back, Carlos! Peel back! Hit!
Peeling, 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 peeling. Wait, when their light is off. Oh, they're pushing left, 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 left. Move! Fuck. Reloading! Left side! Likod na natin! They're behind us! Left side! I'm fucking them up. Reloading! Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Check it out.
Behind us! Left side! Left side, left side!
Ikulan natin? Oo. Ano yan? Kalaban yan? Oo, kalaban niya, kalaban niya. Tangin na, walang gas.
Front, front! Sorry, sorry. In the bushes! Ayun sa ilaw, oh! Ingat likod natin, left side! 6 o'clock!
Ayun o! Sahil! Sahil! Walang gas ah. Walang gas.
Hit na. Oh yeah. Okay. There should be one more on the next tree line. Hey boy. Wait, there might still be an enemy, ah? Respond ba yun? Respond. Sir, ready ka? Wala ka namin dito.
Ayun. Yun o.
Tumigil naman.
Ayun o. Nasa likod ng ano na yan, ng tao na yan. Ay, walang gas. Ayun o. Huwag mo nang ilawan. Nakakayain pa ako. Trail me. Ayun o, sa puno o. Ayun o. Index! Index! Index!
Op4's 1st platoon commences their assault. 5th and 6th platoon hold fast, maintaining their strong defensive position and making use of the open field to their advantage. An attempt was made by Op4 to send assaulters to push head-on towards our stronghold, which was unsuccessful. In the end, Op4 was unable to capture our stronghold and had to fall back. Blue 4 continued to have a full night without further engagements or incursions.
Contact rear!
Yes, sir.
Copy. Hey, Nico! Hug the wall! Hug the wall! Let's go!
Keep going. Blue 4 gets hit with an ambush by Op4. Temporarily, the vehicles are disabled due to the drivers being hit by the initial blast from the IEDs set by Op4. Infantry dismount, repel the enemy's advance, and immediately mount back in trucks to initiate a hasty exfil, getting off the X. Blue 4 successfully exfils and Operation Lion's Roar is deemed a success.